Hello and welcome to this CircleBe.com how-to video. In this video I'll demonstrate how to create your own unique service profile, including how to upload your first service. Once on the CircleBe.com homepage, scroll to the base of the page where we'll see Become a Seller. Click on Create Your Profile Now. Enter your name, email address and password followed by confirmation you're over 18 and your marketing preferences. Click Register. At this point we will send you a confirmation email. Please go to your email inbox and ensure we are not in your junk or spam file. Find the email, move it to your inbox and select Create and Activate Account. You will be redirected back to the CircleBe homepage where you can log in. Now fill in your personal address and details. We will take your business address later. These details are kept private and will only be shared if you choose to do so when booking somebody else's service. Don't forget to hit the Save button. Now we need to begin to build your public service profile. Scroll down and you'll see various sections to complete. Now the more detail you provide, the more likely you will gain bookings over your competitors. Firstly, select Service Account. Although our logo looks fabulous, upload your own profile avatar to attract more attention by clicking on the CircleBe logo. This picture will also be used when sharing your appointments to social media. Scroll in and out for zoom, and then save. This time enter your business or trading name with address. By the way, you don't need to be a registered business to offer your services. Click Show My Location to make your address visible within your profile. This is useful if you need your customers to come to you. Note, this is your service address, not your personal address, unless they are both the same. Next, complete your telephone number and web address. These will be made public on your profile. If you don't have a company reg number, don't worry, you don't need it to use CircleBe. Service provider type is the primary search group to help customers find you. For example, if you're a hairdresser, select Hair and Beauty, or a dog walker, select Pet Services. Here, we're going to select Business Services. Provider type is where you can select a profession specific to you. If you can't see your title, then please contact us and we'll happily add it to the list. Don't forget to save. Now in the top left corner you'll see a blue arrow. Click it to return to My CircleBe. Once again, scroll down the page, this time selecting My Opening Hours. Here you can display your operating hours on your profile. Use the toggles to show which days of the week you work and select your opening and closing times using the 24-hour wheel. And again, don't forget to save. Scroll down and select My Qualifications. In this section you can describe your education, experience, certificates, training to help customers build confidence in you and to give you the edge over your competitors who may be less qualified. Don't forget to save before returning to My CircleBe. Next, scroll down and click on My Overview. Here you can describe yourself, your business and pitch to your potential customer. You want to encourage your reader to book your services or to contact you to discuss their needs in detail. Remember, your overview will appear in other areas of the site to help entice visitors to enter your profile, so make this attractive. Okay, so you may have noticed my typo in my overview. At any time you can go back to any section of your profile and update it, or correct mistakes like mine. Just go in, update your information and save, and your profile will update instantly. We're almost done. Next, scroll down and click on My Photo Gallery. Use the blue plus sign to upload pictures from any device. Demonstrate your services or even show off your workplace. Again, the more examples you can add will only help attract more clients. A picture speaks 1,000 words after all. You can upload from any device and adjust the images to look perfect. When finished, return using the blue button. Now for the icing on the cake. Scroll down and click My Services. Then click Add Service. Next, create your service title. This needs to be something your customers will recognize. Next, describe your service. This needs to be short and to the point, describing anything like a special product or feature to add value to your service. Enter how long this service will take by selecting the hours and minutes. This is important because when customers book your service online, the service will adjust your availability to avoid double bookings. Next, enter the price you expect your customer to pay when completing this service. This will be paid direct to you by the customer. In my example, I've put zero value because my callback consultation service is free. Next, I need to select where the service will take place. The options include mobile, which means I will go to my customer's address, on-site, which means the customer will come to my address, or phone call, which means I'll call the customer back on their telephone number. In this instance, I will select phone call because I want to call my customer back, then activate the service so it appears on the service profile as live. Then I'll save. Another service example is quotation. It might be really difficult for you to agree the service or price or duration on a profile up front, so you can offer a quotation service. You can put roughly how long that quotation will take based on your experience. Do you charge for your quotations? Do you go to your customer's house or do they come to you for the quotation? You can build these as services and offer it on your CircleBe profile and agree the terms direct to your customer later. The beauty of this system is you can sell any service. Describe your service, duration of the service, price of the service. If you can think of it, you can sell that service on CircleBe. Just put anything that you wish, providing it's legal, of course. Each of these services are now available on my public profile, and when I upload my availability, my customers will be able to book them online. Now my profile is finished, you can go via my CircleBe and my profile to view the finished product. Because I opted in to have my address on my profile, there's a Google map showing customers exactly how to get to me. There's also my direct telephone number and my web address should customers wish to explore further. CircleBe won't get jealous. Customers can also message me via the CircleBe site should they wish to ask any more questions, and all the information we just completed is now available on my profile page for customers to be able to review and make decisions at their leisure, including reviews should customers wish to leave them. Thank you for visiting CircleBe.com, the one-stop shop to find, sell, book services online. You can also get more information from our YouTube page under CircleBe or My CircleBe on both Facebook and Instagram. We look forward to working with you soon.